गोवा ले चलते हैं, जहां पर महत्वपूर्ण कार्यक्रम एक चल रहा है।
अत्यधिक सम्मान का दिन है। वर्ष 1957 से जीएसएल देश की सेवा में निरंतर कार्य कर रहा है। गोवा शिपयार्ड लिमिटेड सर्वाधिक तेजी से वृद्धि करता हुआ देश का रक्षा पीएसयू है। भारतीय नौसेना और तटरक्षक बल को युद्धपोतों का डिजाइन, निर्माण और मरम्मत द्वारा समुद्री रक्षा में बहुत बड़ा योगदान दे रहा है। लगभग 400 करोड़ रुपए की लागत से यार्ड ने प्रमुख आधुनिकीकरण योजना के चरण 3A का कार्य पूरा कर लिया है। इन सुविधाओं से यार्ड की क्षमता में न सिर्फ कई गुना वृद्धि होगी, बल्कि यार्ड 14 जहाज़ों का एक साथ निर्माण करने में सक्षम हो जाएगा। केंद्र सरकार ने हाल ही में 32,000 करोड़ रुपए के MCMV परियोजना के निर्माण को मंजूरी दी है और 1867 करोड़ रुपए की कीमत पर 5 CGOPV के निर्माण के आदेश दिए हैं। आज माननीय प्रधानमंत्री चरण 3A की सुविधा राष्ट्र को समर्पित करेंगे और इसके बाद औपचारिक रूप से 5 CGOPV पोतों का उत्पादन भी शुरू होगा। हम माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी आपसे अनुरोध करते हैं, आप डिजिटल माध्यम से कृपया प्लेग का अनावरण करें। प्रस्तुत है एक दृक्श्राव्य दर्शन।
Goa Shipyard Limited is the fastest growing public sector unit in India's
Goa
shipbuilding arena, boasting the highest warship export orders. It has the singular distinction of delivering world-class vessels ahead of contractual delivery period at the fixed cost every time. We are India's fastest growing shipyard, clocking 27% growth in the value of production over 2015-2016 and 43% growth in revenue over the last 2 years. GSL handles a wide variety of projects and the in-house capability to design and construct everything from offshore patrol vessels, fast attack craft and fast interceptor boats to damage control simulators, missile corvettes, GRP boats and sail training ships. GSL does not rest on its laurels and has begun journeying towards boosting infrastructure to construct mine countermeasure vessels through an investment of more than rupees 1,000 crores. This involves building a shiplift facility, assembly shop, outfit workshop, construction berths, outfit and repair jetties, workshop specifically for MCNV GPR hull construction and other ancillary facilities. With this, throughput will increase tremendously. While today, GSL can already lift and transfer ships for launch and docking up to 6,000 tons capacity, the new initiative will soon help India join the handful of countries in the world that can locally build MCMVs. In 9 months, we delivered 3 2,500-ton offshore patrol vessels to the Coast Guard and completed 14 other small vessels. We have also delivered ships exceeding 7,700 tons displacement over the year, the highest among defense public sector units. Only recently, the government has approved a rupees 32,000 crore project of constructing 12 MCMVs, a one-of-a-kind warship building project in India with transfer of technology from South Korea. MCMV project, a true Make in India mega project. This will offer a massive boost to GSL as well as the state of Goa through increased employment for youth, opportunities for local vendors, and development of micro, small, and medium enterprises. GSL is also committed to the community, initiating CSR activities in education and skill development, setting up dairy and agri cooperatives in rural areas, and aiding farmer-centric watershed management for 10,000 hectares. It provides sanitation and health support to more than 5,000 homes and 1,500 school children. Our success would not have been possible without the support and guidance of all our esteemed customers: the Indian Navy, Indian Coast Guard, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Defense, and Goa State Government. We sincerely thank